Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the battery in your Conga 990 is a straightforward task that can greatly extend the life of your device. In this guide, we'll go through each step you need to follow to get your robot vacuum back up and running. First, let's gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by turning the Conga 990 upside down to expose the battery compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. There are typically 3 screws located at the back of the unit. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery cover off. Take a moment to clean the inside of the battery compartment with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting the performance of your vacuum. Remember, a clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. Now, you'll see the battery connected to the device. Gently disconnect the battery by pulling on the connector. If you're unsure about this step, you can refer to the user manual for guidance. If you don't have the right tools or feel uncomfortable doing it yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Just give us a call, and we can help. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the vacuum just as the old one was attached. Make sure it's secured properly to avoid any issues. After connecting, place the battery cover back on the unit and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before you finish, double-check that all screws are tight and that the battery compartment is closed securely. If everything looks good, flip the vacuum back to its upright position. At this point, it's advisable to test the vacuum to ensure the new battery is functioning. Simply press the power button and see if it starts up as usual. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery on your Conga 990. For those who prefer not to tackle this task themselves, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to getting your vacuum serviced. Plus, we always provide a quote before repair, so you won't have any surprises. After ensuring everything is in order, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Conga 990 as well. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your device in tip-top shape. Regular battery changes will ensure that your vacuum operates efficiently and effectively, prolonging its life and maintaining its performance. Now you're ready to enjoy a clean home with your fully functioning Conga 990. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.